Hello, welcome back to another After Effects video. So what I want to do is I want to mask the movement of the woodpecker going across, and then we're going to blur out the background. So let's see how we might achieve that. So obviously going to start by drawing a mask. And we'll do something like this. There may be a few too many points here, but just to get the sort of a reasonable shape here. If we go into the bottom layer here, what we can do is we can go to an effect, and you can see we've got this median effect. So I'll put this one on here. Let's take a look, see what happens when we start increasing the radius of this thing. You see, we start to blur out. So you can see that we're actually able to show the path of the Roadrunner. So you see, when you do it like that, you can really no, it doesn't even look like you're using a mask. So the median effect, that's pretty cool. Let's do a shape layer. You could put the that guy coming in, right? I don't know why you would put it in like that, but you could do. And then I believe we press F4. I think color dodge is what you want on it. Let's see. Yeah, so you see color dodge is when you start to get an effect on it, which is actually useful. We could do the stroke option of 0 opacity. Let's actually remove this mask. Let's try a different kind of mask this time. So the other thing we could do perhaps is if we just go to, see if you just press double click on the square, I noticed that it will fill the whole thing. So let's try something different, right? Now we may want it to be at the end, we want it to be the whole thing, right? So we could say, yeah, I want that to be the whole thing there. And then we go to the beginning, and if we click on the shape button, you see it says left, right, and then like that. We could then put another keyframe in here with say like 200, like that. And then you see it does that effect as well. So that's like another way you could do things. So that's cool. The other thing you could do is, the thing about masks, which is interesting, is you can actually mess with them velocity as well, I believe. So if we go back to this layer with the mask, and we just, I think we shift F3. You see, if we look at the mask path of this mask, you can see you can actually change the velocity of it. So what you could do is you could click the second one, and then you could do an F9 on that, which should easy ease. So that would go. So that should be a little bit better. Yeah, you see, this, yeah. Let's just bump it up ridiculously so. So yeah, lots of cool things that you can do with masks, and we'll talk more about masks in the next video. So thanks for watching.